UX design is one of the most rapidly growing industries in the world right now. And it's easy to see why. Companies have seen the competitive advantage that UX design can bring to their products. Users today are flooded with options. Just open up the App Store to look for a note-taking app. You'll find 10, 20, 30 different apps that all do the same thing. So how are you supposed to bring users to your app rather than that of your competitors? And the answer lies in user experience. An app that can solve the user's problems is much more likely to attract users, especially in an age where the user's voice can be heard loud and clear. Think about it. Would you rather use an app with 4.8 stars or an app with 2.3? So it's no wonder that 87% of department leads said that hiring UX designers was a top priority for them last year. And 40% even said that they plan on doubling their current UX team in the next year alone. Check out any job platform and you will find all kinds of UX-related jobs. What about salary though? No matter the industry, the salary discussion has a tendency to be, well, the elephant in the room. But let's face it, people want to know what they're getting into. Investing in education and training in a field that won't be able to support the lifestyle that you want, that wouldn't be a wise decision. Everyone's always worried about the money. But here's a secret, with UX design, you don't have to be. According to LinkedIn's State of Salary report in 2017, UX design is 5th on the list of top paying entry-level jobs in the United States, averaging at about $72,000 a year. And that's just a junior role. The more years you put behind you, the more that number will jump, averaging at well over $100K for senior and specialist UX roles. And outside of the US, you'll find a similar trend. While the actual number can fluctuate depending on a country's economy, there's one thing you can always be sure of. It will be higher than the national average. You know what that means? No matter where life takes you, you'll be able to find a UX job as well as the salary to support yourself. Changing careers can be scary. You're moving from something that may not be the most interesting or the highest paid, but it's familiar, something that you know you can do, an environment you're used to. UX, on the other hand, is bright and new and shiny, but it's different, which can be pretty scary to a lot of people. But within all that unfamiliar territory, there's a huge opportunity waiting to be unlocked. It's a growing industry, a widening market, and an impressive salary to go with it. So all you need to do is dare to go for it.